Need to download ReelShort on iOS? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the App Store on a device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar you need to search for ReelShort. Move into this app right here. Well, instead of this icon, you should see the option of Get. You need to click on Get and then tap on Install. If needed, enter the password of your Apple account. Once entered, it will start to download it on a device. Well, you need to wait for a while for the downloading process to be completed. And there you go. Once you see the option of Open, it means that the application has been downloaded. You can tap on Open and open the application and use it. Click on Allow. Once again, tap on Allow. Now from here, you will be able to see all of the ReelShorts. If you want to search for the specific one, then you can click on the search icon and then search for it. And then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can download ReelShort on iOS. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.